Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that bio protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, bio protocol is a decentralized science platform that uses blockchain and AI fund, govern and accelerate biotechnology research through community driven organization called BioDAOs, democratizes biotech funding. It opens early stage biotech investment, traditionally limited to large institutions, to global community of token holders. Powered by BioDAOs and AI, research is organized into specialized decentralized autonomous organization BioDAOs and augmented by AI agents called bioagents for automation. Multi-utility token. The bio token is used for govern voting, staking to access project launches, providing liquidity and paying for ecosystem services. Bio protocol project institution rating is 4.1. Bio protocol token total supply is 3.3 billion and circulating supply is around 2.1 billion bio token. Bio token is listed on Binance, Coinbase and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.